So let's see how to install the MIUI 12.5 21.5.12 update on Poco X2. I'm currently on the Crdroid 7.6. I made a review video on Crdroid 7.6. If you haven't watched it, the link is in description box below. So to install the MIUI 12.5, just download this one file. I'll show you. As you can see, just download the one file in details. As you can see, MIUI Phone X 21.5.12. Now just boot to recovery. Restart and recovery. I am currently on the orange box recovery. So just download the page black recovery. I have downloaded it. See PBRP. Just click on it and swipe. First install the PBRP, that is page black recovery. Just volume up. As you can see, the recovery is installed. Now just reboot to recovery. Reboot and recovery. As you can see, we are rebooted. Now just go to wipe, advanced, Dalvik, data and cache and just wipe it. Now just go to the tools, code name changer and click Phone X and OK and swipe. Now go to install, internal storage, downloads and MIUI and just flash it. As you can see, it's flashing. The flashing may take time, so I'll skip the video. As you can see, the ROM is installed successfully. Now just go back, click on wipe, format data and type yes and OK. Now just reboot system. As you can see, it shows MIUI. First reboot may take time, so keep patience. So we'll meet after the reboot is done.
2000 years later.
As you can see, we are rebooted and finally the ROM is installed. Now just set up. I will meet after the setup is done. As you can see, the setup is done. Just swipe up. As you can see, we are rebooted. So I'll just go to the about phone and show you my device. As you can see, MIUI 12.5 21.5.12 is installed. So this is how you install MIUI 12.5 on Poco X2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?